Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook avatar. At the end of this video, you know how to create and update a Facebook avatar. If you're new here, I'm Michael. Here's how to create a Facebook avatar with your mobile phone. First, sign in into your Facebook mobile application and then click on your profile on the top right corner of your screen. You can also click on your profile in this section. This is going to take you to your Facebook profile. Now click on the three dots in this section and then click on edit. In this section, you're going to see your profile picture, avatar, cover photo, bio, and other details. Come to this section where it says avatar and click on create avatar and show on profile. Click on this and this will get you started with creating your avatar. If you want to use your picture, you can click on the camera button and it's going to take a shot that will be used to generate your avatar. But if you just want to go directly to customize your avatar yourself, click on skip and here you'll be asked to choose a skin tone for your avatar. Pick a skin tone and then click on next and this will take you to the avatar customization page. You can select your characters and different hairstyle which you can customize later. You can save by clicking on save and this is going to create and update your avatar. Click on next and you'll be taken to your avatar dashboard. To edit your avatar, you can click on edit avatar. So you're going to have access to tons of features that you can customize for your avatar, including the hairstyle, the eyebrows, the face hair selection, and many more. And in the preview section, you can move your avatar around to preview in detail how it really looks. Anytime you make a selection that can be customized, you're going to see different customization you can make in this section. For example, you can change the face hair color if you're under facial hair by clicking on the color section. And here you can select the color that you want for the face hair. Once you're done, click on this. And once you're satisfied with all the customization, click on save. And with this, your avatar is going to be updated. If you want to make your avatar the profile picture, here is how to do so. Once you're on this page, click on create profile picture. And then you're going to see set your avatar as your profile picture, of which you can select different poses depending on the character you select and the background color that you prefer for your avatar. Once you're done with all your changes, click on save. And now when you go to your profile, your new avatar will be your profile picture. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to create a Facebook avatar, and I hope this video has been able to help you update your Facebook avatar. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification bell turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.